We're the J0mR's, and our hack is a text-based choose-your-own-adventure game. The world is a crazy place right now. From coronavirus to the election, we've all had something to stress about. We wanted to create a fun little game to hopefully take some of that stress away. You get to create your own character and then go on an adventure through a dangerous and mysterious dungeon. Only the lucky and aware will survive. The game opens with the options to create your character. First, you pick your name. Then, you're given 4 options for your race: human, dwarf, elf, and goblin. You're also given 4 options for your class: wizard, fighter, healer, and ranger. Each class has its own unique stats and abilities that will help you later throughout the game.
From there, you head to the Adventurers Guild to try and find a quest to embark on. While looking at the quest board, one catches your eye. It's a riddle with an encrypted message to go with it. Only by solving the riddle can you figure out the passphrase you need to decrypt the message. This decrypted message will give you a hint that will help you survive later in the adventure. The encryption functionality in the adventure is intended to mimic the functionality of professional encryption. In the adventure, you are given some unknown symbols which represent an encrypted message. To decrypt the message, you must provide the password or passphrase, which is the answer to a riddle in the adventure. When the passphrase is passed into the decrypt function, it is used to decrypt the encrypted string in a custom way. Each character in the passphrase is used to uniquely decrement each character of the encrypted string based on the passphrase character's ASCII value. This is done in a loop. To avoid unreadable and backspace characters, I had to do some unsigned ASCII modulus math. Additionally, if you give it the wrong password or passphrase, it will purposely decrypt incorrectly. These decrypted messages connect to the adventure story by providing clues on how to decide on courses of action later in the adventure.
Throughout your quest, you'll have to encounter combat many times. Each class can use their own unique attacks to fight the various monsters who cross their path. Each enemy has its own attacks too, which they use at random. All attacks also do a random amount of damage. This element of chance makes the game more exciting in each playthrough.
We've playtested our game many times over and can say with confidence that all our error checking works like a charm. That way, if you make a wrong input or just type something funny in for fun, your gameplay will still run nicely and smoothly and won't leave you aboard the endless array train. It even works with spaces. We don't want to spoil the rest of the story, but there's plenty of fun to be had playing our game, and we hope you enjoy it. Now go and get your adventure on.